Hello and welcome. Today's unboxing is my pink box delivery. It is like my favorite lifestyle box. And Mary, who is the curator of this box, has been ill. And she's a small business owner, so I totally understand. And to tell you a little bit about this box, every month there's a theme to it. And this month's theme is Paris. And I have never been to Paris. Now my daughter, who lives in Germany, she studied abroad in Paris. She absolutely loved it. She loved the European lifestyle. She traveled all over when she studied abroad. She met so many new friends she still stays in contact with. And her husband studied abroad in Germany. So when they got married, they bought a house here, and after like a year, they're like, we're done with this. And they moved to Germany because she applied for jobs. She applied for jobs all over Europe, and she had a couple job offers in Germany, one in London, and she decided to take the job offer in Germany. And they've been there like 3 years now. But they went to Paris for their anniversary last year. This year they went to Italy, I think. So they do all sorts of little adventures. They bought a camper and they traveled around southern Italy in their camper. They took their cat. So I've never been to Paris, but she would send me things while she studied there. So let's get into the box. Let me know if you've traveled abroad, if you stayed somewhere, if your kids ever studied abroad. And as I said, mine studied abroad and she just didn't want to come back, but she just loves it there. But because they have so many friends here, they have to keep coming back for weddings, funerals, whatever. And she's coming in for another wedding in October, which I will actually be there seeing the baby, so she gets to come to Chicago and see her niece for the first time too. So it'll be so much fun. So they wrap everything super nice. And as I said, this box runs probably like $36, $38. It'll all be listed below. And then with shipping, it comes out to about $45. Well worth it. And it makes a great gift. I don't get any discounts or anything, but I will leave the link below. And the first thing that I'm pulling out, it feels like a candle. So let me get my little sheet and let me get my little cheater. So let me know if you get this box or if you received it. And this is the Nicola Spring scented candle. And candles usually go for, with the box, they usually go for $15 to $20. So I am never mad when I get a candle in a box. This is what it looks like. This is the whole thing, and oh my goodness. This smells like you're staying at a fancy spa or hotel. Like when you walk into a hotel. Oh my goodness. Yeah, loving the candle. And let's see what it says about the candle. And of course, it's probably something that I passed up. Oh wait, here it is. We love this beautiful, no, that's not it either. Oh, here it is. Breathe new life into your home with fresh, fruity, floral aromas from a luxury Nicola Spring single wick candle. Packaged in a glass holder with gold imprinted detailing, made from soy wax, beautifully gift boxed, Melope, London, and it's valued at $28. The next thing I am pulling out is Beauty Reset, and it's a satin pillowcase. Wake up to better hair and skin days. So I'm not going to take it out of the box, but you can see. And I have a couple pillowcases and I hand wash them. But after a month or two, I'm ready for a new one. So this was really nice. And let's read about our pillowcase. Rest in style with this beautiful and silky soft satin pillowcase. The luxurious fabric helps to reduce friction, minimizing hair frizz, breakage, and tangles, while also helping to retain skin's moisture and lessen the appearance of fine lines. Palm Beach, and that was valued at $28. And we have this item. Oh, it's a Bouffant shower cap. Keep your hair dry and frizz-free during your shower. I haven't received, we get those shower towels for like after your shower, but I haven't seen a shower cap like this. And it's Bouffant. I'm trying to take it out of the box. I want to see Bouffant. Oh! Okay. This is just too adorable. Kind of looks like the maid look. Okay. There we go. I don't have all my hair in it. But how adorable is this shower cap? And let's read about it. The pillowcase, a sweet Bouffant shower cap to simply place your inside the shower cap. All right, this isn't gonna work. Sorry. Now, how adorable must I look like old granny? A sweet Bouffant shower cap to simply place your inside the shower cap to maintain that fabulous glam hairstyle even in your shower. Stylish lace trim design with bow detail. Keeps your hair dry and frizz-free during your shower. Made with 100% polyester satin exterior and waterproof vinyl lining. Hand wash, line dry, allowed to air dry after each use. Morning Glamour from Toronto, it's $18. Okay, if I don't look like the granny, but I do love the shower cap. I've always wanted one. Okay, you guys, you got your laugh for the day. And then we have this item. I am just loving this box. Now we've got some French perfume. Well, this is nice. It's a picture frame. Wow. And I was talking to, I can't bend it because it's in the plastic. But I was talking to my kids this morning, and I was telling my son that I haven't received a wedding picture from when they got married. And he's like, yeah, you were there. So I guess I'm not getting a wedding picture. But in our FaceTime video, my daughter had her cat. He was just sprawled laying on the hardwood floor. No cares in the world. And then my son had his dog, like just sticking her face in the camera. So I'm gonna get a picture of the cat and dog and put these in the frame. I want a big one of the baby, but so I'll have a cat and dog picture for this beautiful frame. I think I've had way too much caffeine today for filming. Beautiful modern frame for a boudoir nightstand. Oh, that's what I need, my cat and dog. Nightstand or dresser to keep loved one nears, but truly this frame set will suit any room in most home decors. This hinged Nicola spring folding double photo frame will show off those treasured moments in a timeless style. Melope, London, $19. And no idea. Makeup removing beauty cloths. Oh, look at this nice little 2-pack. I suppose I can take them out, although I won't get them out. I could try to take them. Oh, they have a little thing to hook them. So that's what I got out of the box. Definitely challenged. So I'll take one out. And so this is what they look like. And then they have the thing to hang them up. So that is really nice. And they're super, super soft. And there's a blue one, and then there's a pink one. So that was really nice. So let's read up about the makeup cloths. The Lindo Makeup Removal Beauty Cloth is an incredibly soft and plush cloth that can be used to wipe away makeup, as well as impurities, oils, and dead skin with just water. The super plush and soft fibers are finer than cotton and silk. Regular usage of the beauty cloth helps gently exfoliate skin without any chemicals. A set of 2 cloths, Lindo, is $19. There you go. And we have one more item in there. And it's the basket. Look at that. It's blue and white. And you can put all your toiletries. So I can put my washcloths in there. My favorite item, my shower cap, will fit in there. My pillowcase will fit in there. My picture frame for my dog and cat will fit in there. My candle I have to the side, so I'm not going to put that in there. And I think that is everything. So let's just, life is beautiful, darling, and it should be filled with lovely items that help us live it to the fullest. I seek out items that bring organization to my life, relaxing vibes, ease, and accents that are pleasing to the eye to make my surroundings more beautiful and inviting. Since my bedroom and bathroom are the last and first things I see every morning, it is important to me to create a relaxing and organized oasis that reminds me it is beautiful, or as the French would say, la vie est belle. So that's what she bases around. All natural premium roped cotton creates a luxury basket suitable for any room in the house. The fashionable oval design by Periette Paris is perfect for your bedside nightstand to stash your glasses, a book, hair, berets, etc. It's equally functional in the bathroom to hold extra washcloths or bath products. And this was made in France, and it's $42 retail. The sturdy basket is collapsible and easily reshaped. So we got the basket, we got the candle that was $28, we have the frame which was $19, we have the pillowcase which is $28, we have the shower cap which is $18, and the makeup removal cloths which were $19. So this was a great value. I loved the theme of the box. I loved everything in the box. What was your favorite item? As you know, mine was the shower cap, okay? Because I would definitely use that in the shower. I know when I get my hair colored or done, you can't wash it for 24 hours, so that would be perfect for the shower. So thank you so much for dealing with my craziness in this video, and leave comments below, and as always, hit that subscribe and like button, and have an awesome day.